Okay, this is the KINGROON printer, fairly new, small, inexpensive printer that's on the market, and I'm going to go over a few things with you about it today. First of all, I'm going to show you one of the great features of it, which is the simplicity of assembling this printer. Okay, this is the box that the printer comes in. You open up the box. Nice manual with instructions in it. Give you a little bit of free filament, some tools and accessories. Your filament stand, power cord, power supply. Then in the next layer, you have the two major parts, which are your base and build platform and your vertical mount. I always check because I usually find a screw or something that's come loose in there in shipping. So I'll lay these two parts down, set that aside. Now this is how simple the assembly is. You have set screws on the side, two on the side, and two on the front here. I'm going to loosen these up now. Okay, this is the base unit, and this is your vertical and horizontal track. You want to loosen these two screws here and the two on the side so that the tracks can slide down behind you have to loosen them up a little bit more. There. Okay. It feels like it's all the way in position now. Now what you want to do is tighten this bottom one up first. Since you can't see it, but you can feel that it's locked in. Okay, then the top one, you can actually look down in there and see it needs to be in that flat position. These particular screws, if you can see, have a little T-nut on them, and as it tightens up, that goes into the track and pulls the track tight up against this, but it has to be turned in that horizontal position. If it's vertical, it won't hold. It's just not locked into the track. Now on these two, I can look down in there and I can see, and that one did not turn, so it's vertical. I've got to back it back out, get it out far enough to where it will turn. Sometimes you have to jiggle this a little bit. Okay, that one turned. You see it's flat now. This one, it's turned and it's flat. So I can snug these down. I'm not going to tighten them real tight. And I'll do a video later where we'll do the alignment on it. And then you turn it over, and in one of your packages you'll find your SD card and adapter. You'll find an extra tube for your filament. You'll find extra thermocouples and T-nuts and print head. You'll also get a pair of cutters which come in handy cutting filament. You get a short USB cable, and you get your assorted wrench and Allen wrenches. Then you also get a little pack of screws, 3 screws. They gave you 1 extra. You only need 2 of them. Get those 2 screws with the lock washer, and you put them in the bottom here, and they're actually screwing into the bottom of this vertical channel. And you use the larger Allen wrench to screw those in. I always like to come back and loosen everything up just a little bit. Have everything just slightly loose. And then as you tighten them, you get them into a snug position. Okay, once you've got these 2 screws snug down, again, you don't super tighten them yet. Then you come back, push your build plate forward, and there's a little plug down here that plugs into this lower Z-axis servo motor. You plug that in, turn it around, remove this little protective cover off of that, take your power supply, check, make sure that it's in the 110 volt position. Take these little cutters they gave you and clip that clip off. And I'm just setting this down here on a lower platform out of my way. Then you can plug your power up, and then take your power cord and plug it into the power supply, as you see here, and then you can turn the power on. Okay, that's fairly simple. You've put the printer together and in a very short period of time. Now I've got another video that will go over a little bit of some alignment things that you need to do to make sure that's why I didn't tighten these down real tight, because you want to do a few adjustments. And but that will be another video. I just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is to assemble this KINGROON printer. Thank you for watching.